Question 23, find the area of the triangle, and they're telling us there that side A is 6.3 mils. So this guy here is 6.3 millimeters. That guy is 8 millimeters, and the angle between them is 38 degrees. So that's a side, an angle, and a side. So it's a side. We know two of the sides and we know the angle between, and that's called the SAS. And that's a kind of a clue. We know, what do we know? What do we use that SAS for? Is it the sine rule? It is, yeah. It's coming back to me slowly. The area then, if you go to half times one of the sides, we call it A, times the other side called B, times sine of theta, which means the angle between them. So in our case, it's going to be half multiplied by 6.3 multiplied by 8 multiplied by sine of the angle between them, 38 degrees. Stick all that into the calculator. So we have a half multiplied by 6.3 multiplied by 8 multiplied by sine 38 degrees. And that gives us 15.514, say that's, and it goes on, right? But I'm going to go to 2 decimal places, so I get 15.51, and we're dealing in millimeters, and its area, so it's millimeters squared. That's it. Job done. Yeah, that's about the handiest way of doing that one there.